When performing the one-arm dumbbell row, you'll start by putting your knee right up on the bench, and then the same side hand on the bench as well too. You're going to put the other leg out a little farther from the bench to create a nice good solid tripod with the hand, the knee, and the foot. When Stacy gets the weight set on up, she's going to make sure she gives a nice good solid position from shoulders to hips, and then from there, driving the elbows up past the body so that the dumbbell gets up near the chest and shoulders. Make sure we're moving from the arm and not twisting the body as we do this motion, so she's nice and stable as she's performing the row. Good, looks great.